Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Beijing tightens control ahead of Xi's big movement on world stage. Trump says 11 killed in US strike on drug-carrying vessel from Venezuela. Floods in Punjab raise fears of big floods in Sindh. Let's look into details. The stage is set in the heart of Beijing for a grand display of the power and military might that has been choreographed by President Xi Jinping. 8 huge Chinese flags flutter and flank the portrait of Mao Zedong, the founder of Communist China, which sits on top of the Gate of Heavenly Peace overlooking Tiananmen Square, one of the largest public squares in the world. Below are rows of seats reserved for 26 foreign heads of state, including Russia's Vladimir Putin and North Korea's Kim Jong-un, whose attendance is a diplomatic win for Xi. Across the road, near the Great Hall of the People, two huge floral arrangements commemorating the end of the World War II rise up alongside, seating for around 50,000 invitees. President Donald Trump says the U.S. has carried out a strike against a drug-carrying vessel in southern Caribbean, killing 11 necro-terrorists. He posted on social media that Tuesday's U.S. military operation had targeted members of the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua. Trump said the vessel was in international waters and was transporting illegal narcotics bound for the U.S. The Trump administration has ratcheted up military and political measures against Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro in recent weeks, including through a $50 million reward for information leading to his arrest on drug trafficking charges. Maduro has vowed Venezuela would fight any attempted U.S. military intervention. Floodwaters across Punjab reached alarming levels on Tuesday after India released additional discharges into the Sutlej and Ravi rivers, while persistent monsoon rains intensified the crisis, putting millions of lives at risk and raising fears of a super flood in Sindh. According to the Flood Forecasting Division, the Sutlej at Ganda Singh Wala recorded over 350,000 cubics of water, the highest level since 1955. At Suleimanki, the flow was measured at 124,000 cubics, while Islamabad Works reported nearly 86,000 cubics. The Ravi also witnessed a dangerous rise, with water levels recorded at 54,000 cubics in Jasser, 60,000 in Shahdra, 137,000 in Balochi, and 107,000 in Sindhai. The Chenab River carried over 516,000 cubics at head Tremo, posing a growing threat to low-lying areas. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.